Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to synchronize multiple video clips to audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Normally, if you try to synchronize multiple clips in Premiere Pro, you need to select all the clips and then right-click on them. But you'll notice that the Synchronize option is grayed out. The reason this happens is that Premiere requires every clip to be placed on a separate track before it allows audio synchronization. So, select one clip, then place it on the upper layer by pressing Alt and the up arrow on the keyboard, or you can just drag it. Repeat the process for all the video and audio clips. Remember, you can only keep a single clip in a layer. Once you do that, you'll be able to sync everything to your audio. Select all the clips and right-click on them. Here, you can see that the Synchronize option is available now. Click on Synchronize, then OK. Here, you can see that our clips have been synchronized. But the problem is, if you're working with a lot of clips, this quickly becomes a very tedious and time-consuming process. Instead of doing that, there's a faster workaround built right into Premiere. First, let's clear our timeline. Now, select all the clips you want to synchronize directly in your media bin. After that, right-click and choose Create Multi-Camera Source Sequence. In this menu, select Audio as the sync point and confirm. Premiere will then create a new sequence in your media bin. Right-click that sequence. In the pop-up, click on the down arrow to scroll down. Now, choose Open in Timeline, and just like that, all of your clips are perfectly synchronized and ready to edit. Now, you just need to bring the clips into a single track again. I know this is a workaround, but it's built into Premiere Pro and it's completely free. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.